Hello, Preston parents. My name is Helen Karasulas, and I provide math support to grades 3, 4, and 5. This year, I will be teaching your children virtually, and I will be seeing them on their home learning days. I will also be seeing them on virtual Mondays. I'm using Google Classroom Stream to communicate with them as well as you. So the big ideas or goals of the math curriculum we will be studying this year are place value, conceptual understanding and procedural fluency of the 4 mathematical operations, strategies to acquire fact fluency, fractions, and solving single and multi-step word problems using the appropriate math operation with whole numbers as well as fractions. Pre-teaching and reviewing mathematical vocabulary will also be an area of focus. Please feel free to call me or to email me with any questions or concerns. I look forward to working with your children, and I can't wait to watch them grow as mathematicians. Have a great night.